how to fix TikTok login problems with Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your Facebook account. And you can also try to keep Facebook app open in the background while trying to log in through TikTok. So once you have made sure that Facebook is open and you are logged in, go ahead and open TikTok and then try logging in with Facebook again, and this alone should fix most of your login issues with Facebook, as TikTok uses the Facebook app per session and not just your Facebook credentials. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and then search for Facebook, and make sure both the apps are updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as outdated apps often break login connections. See if that helps, and if not, then if you were connected to any type of VPN or private DNS, then go ahead and disable VPNs and disable private DNS too, and switch to normal Wi-Fi or mobile data and try logging in again. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and then tap on the profile option you see there. Further, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there, and now in the settings and privacy page, you will see the option for free up space. So tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the clear option you see there in order to clear the cache in the TikTok application. See if that helps, and if not, then open Facebook application on your device and then tap on the settings and privacy option on the top right of your screen and then tap on settings. Further, here you will see the option for apps and websites. Tap on that and then go ahead and find TikTok and then tap on remove. Once removed, wait for some time and then go ahead and log in with TikTok account again, and that should help you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can try using a browser instead of the application and then connect your TikTok account to Facebook. And if that does not help too, then it could be because Facebook account restrictions. So if your Facebook account has temporary blocks or suspicious activities or has age or gender issues, then TikTok login may fail. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.